In this video, I will show you how to increase brightness in Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, as you can see with Roblox, some games do appear really dark, but it's a couple of things you can do to increase the brightness. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you're inside of Roblox is if you come up to the top left hand corner, click onto the Roblox icon to bring up this menu, and on this menu come up and click onto settings at the top. Now what you need to do from here is scroll down on this page until you get to graphics mode, and you want to change this from automatic to manual. Now once you've done that, you want to increase the graphics quality to the maximum, so just press this plus icon until it goes up to the maximum, and what you would then want to do is come down to background transparency and make sure this is completely turned down and it's not at maximum. The more you increase this, the darker the screen goes, so just reduce this all the way down to it's completely off. Another thing you can do once you've done this, you can press resume to come back to your game. You can see already it's starting to look a lot brighter, but another thing you can do is if you actually come to your desktop, and from your desktop what you want to do is right click onto a blank space of your desktop, and on this menu that comes up, you want to click onto display settings. Now once your display settings has opened, you can see we got a brightness slider here. Make sure this is turned all the way up to the top to ensure that you're getting the best brightness possible from your PC or laptop. So that's how to increase brightness in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.